Asuntoskehittyjä Erkki Melartinin puisto.
It's also amazing today on the 14th of March 2025, and we have Eskolantie, Eskolantie 12 to 14 takes the here, and so they have the way. This was A, B, and C.
I'm not so maybe.
We'll check that. West East Fort was a transport grounds built in 1984. The numerous H 63374. The beginning of 1984 maybe. I wouldn't guess it's finished in 85.
Yeah.
Most of the buildings here are from 1981, 82, so this is probably 84.
Yeah.
I like the sounds of smelling. Very nice smell.
Yeah.
No, this one has the black logo here, but
Yeah.
to check when this was finished. It could be finished 85, but it's weird. We checked that.
Yeah. Viittaakin vähän pitänyt mennä eteenpäin Kone. That's